Beauties. Welcome back to my channel. It's the first time seeing my face. My name is Atmik. this is the final look. Wow, I love the outcome of this hairstyle. If you don't like the previous video I made, if you are not kind of braid type person, you can easily achieve this hairstyle. It's not a must to use clipping. You can use any hair of your choice. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share with your loved ones. I really appreciate that so much. And guys, please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Happy holiday, guys. Mwah.